So resuming this 400 level second semester, I promised myself that I am going to be cooking. I will stop buying food outside. But that doesn't mean I don't normally cook before. I do. It's just that when you go to class 6 a.m. and come back very late, you'll be tired to cook, so you just end up buying something outside. But this semester, I promised myself that I'm going to manage my time very well, so I'm going to be cooking and stop buying food outside. So today I'm preparing stew and okra. So I went to the market to get the things I need for them. Wait, why did anybody not tell me that tomatoes is not really expensive? So I saw this first tomatoes vendor, and the tomatoes was broken. I could not buy it. I just had to get okra from her. I went ahead to withdraw because the cash on me was not enough. So I saw these tomatoes that was looking fresh. I had to get. So then I went to the market to get food stuff and provisions. There were some things like granite oil. I got the granite oil earlier. This was me buying the granite over here. To get crayfish because I wanted to blend to use next time. This was me in the meat vendor's place. Meat is expensive, but I can't imagine. And at this point, I was headed to the hostel. Wait, how do those people that have a lot of kids survive in this economy? Because things are really expensive. I can't imagine. And this was the things I got from the market. I was just showing you all. I proceeded to blend the tomatoes that I'll be using for my stew. I was just happy that there was light for me to use to blend. Because currently, as I'm making this voice, they have not given us light for 2 days. After boiling the tomatoes, I added it to a pot so that it can dry the water. I went ahead to wash and season the meat so that when the tomatoes is ready, I'll just transfer the pot to the fire. At this point, the tomatoes was ready. I had to remove it from the fire and transfer the pot of the meat to the fire. After some minutes, I went to check if the meat was cooked. Then I removed it. I poured the meat and the water into a plate and I raised the pot to put on the fire because it's the pot I'll be using to prepare the stew. As I was entering my room to go ahead to pour the granite oil, my friend walked in. I went ahead to add my granite oil to the hot pot. After a few minutes, the granite oil was hot enough. I added my onions to it. I added my tomato paste to the hot oil. I stayed for some time before I added my blended tomato mixture to it. Sometimes in life, you just have to be kind no matter where you find yourself. Being kind is actually the best thing. You just have to be kind no matter where you find yourself. I remember coming to Benin 100 level. That was 2022. Because before we relocated to Lagos, it was in Benin that my mom actually gave birth to me here. So when I came to Benin, I started following my brother to our church back then. The church we were going to before we relocated. Truth be told, I did not recognize almost 100% of the members there anymore because I was really small when we relocated. There was this woman that came to meet me. She was like, "How are you doing? You're not a big girl. I remember when you were very small, when you guys left. How is your mom?" They started talking how nice my mom was when she was still in Benin. I was not thinking, what if my mom was not nice? We didn't have these good things to say about her. So it's really nice to be good and to be kind wherever you find yourself. Sorry about that. I just decided to share that. Let's go back to our cooking. By the way, I did not know my recording stopped when I was adding the stock water to the stew. And when the stew was ready, I did not know. It was when I removed the stew from the fire. I want to start cooking the white rice. That was when I went to go and check my recording and I was pained that nothing recorded, but I just had to continue with my rice and the food was ready and I was really tired. I could not cook the okra soup that same day. Then when I tasted this food, it was sweeter than some people's relationship. You can't relate. By the way, follow me, subscribe to my channel if you're watching from YouTube, like the video if you have not done that. Bye. See you all in my next video. I love you all. Bye.